Here's my finished filament dryer. You probably noticed while it was printing there was a lot of stringing. That was mostly my fault. Part of it was me trying to design out some of the interior supports and missing little bits, so the tiny remnants were, there was no hope of it ever being able to print those. And the other part is in Cura Slicer, I'm having a hard time getting it to retract when it's printing supports. But anyways, here's the final result. It's holding 2 5-kilogram rolls of filament, and hopefully it'll keep them dry and ready to print.